Mom and Dad are on the cruise ship and they'll be staying with us for 2 whole months. Dad is already having, what are you having, Dad?
I'm not sure.
Dad is already having a hot dog and some fries. How you doing, Jules? You want to say hi to everybody, Mother?
Yes. Hello there. Hello, everybody. All my friends.
What? First thing I had to do when I got Mom and Dad on the ship is I had to go get Dad a Diet Coke, obviously. And when their room is ready, we will go give a room tour to you. Okay, you guys know how much I love jewelry, but look at my dad. He thinks he's Mr. T. Hold your hands out, Dad. Here's Dad's bracelets. He's got Dune on. He's got his gold bracelets. He's got David Yurman. He's got John Hardy. He's got his rings, more rings, and his watch. And necklace.
And my earrings.
You don't have earrings, but I got him this bracelet from Infinity Jewelry here in Alaska. But he's decked out. You can tell we're daughter and father.
I had another one I got repossessed.
Before we do a room tour, we have to have a burger first. Here comes Pete.
How you doing? So,
Hey.
all good?
Dad's already gone. Where did you go?
Diabetic place. They
He-
call for diabetic.
Holy crap, Dad. Dad is,
I don't know which one I like.
he grabbed all of the desserts.
Not all of them.
Oh my gosh.
You gonna use one?
Okay,
Here we go.
going into Mom and Dad's room where they're gonna live for 2 months. I'll follow you, Dad.
Oh my gosh, isn't it adorable? Oh, looky.
Cool.
Couch. Oh, this will be really, really nice.
Yeah,
We could do our little veranda.
very nice. So this is Mom and Dad's bed.
Where's
Waving
the hot
high.
tub at?
The hot tub.
Yeah.
I didn't get you that room.
Okay.
And then the outside, they've got a nice little setup here.
Outside? How long do we live here?
2 months you're gonna live
Really?
here. 2 months.
I thought we had to move.
Yeah, after 2 cruises.
Okay.
But for the next 2 cruises, you'll be in this room, which is like a month and a half. There you are. No, you can. It won't lock, Dad. There's Mom and Dad's room. Get together with Mom.
Okay.
Wave hi to everybody. Are you excited to cruise with me for the next 2 months?
Yes, we are. Very much. Donnie, we are. Stop it.
And look at Mom and Dad's bathroom. Okay, so it's just a normal bathroom, but they have a jacuzzi tub, which means for the next 2 months, I have a jacuzzi tub because I will be coming up here to take baths in Mom and Dad's room for sure. Okay, I just took everything out of the mini fridge and stocked Dad up with all of this Diet Coke.